Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about my first and new gear cycle, Kross Globate Xcite, a 2020 model. The wheel size is 27.5 inches, the frame size is 16 inches. It has disc brakes in both wheels. That one and here. Now let's talk about the gears. In front it has 3 gears. In rear it has 7 gears. Total 7 into 3, 21 gears. Let's talk about the gear shifters. In left hand side it has the front gear shifters. In the right hand side it has the rear gear shifter. It's better to put gear guard for beginners. Caution, don't use the both gear shifters at the same time. The chain may break or cut. And change the gears only while pedaling. If you want to feel like a single speed cycle, put it in 2x6 or 2x5. The purpose of gears is to deliver the effort according to your body comfort. If you are going uphill in a single speed cycle, some people may struggle. For the struggling peoples, the gear cycle is a solution. If they struggle on gear cycle also, they can switch to lower gears and drive uphill. When they are going downhill on gear cycle, if they feel less effort, they can switch to higher gears so that they can put more effort in downhill. This is a phone holder with horn and flash. You can even charge your phone. This is easyfone, which has 4 keys to call 4 different numbers. And it has discreet listening feature for our parents to listen while we are playing. Thanks for watching.